Alright guys, just bought this Ryobi chainsaw. I think it's a RY 3714. Bought it off of Facebook Market for $20. Just something to add to my collection. It wouldn't crank up or anything like that. So I started taking it kind of apart. There's the air filter right here. Chain was terrible. It was just hanging off. And so we'll go ahead and break it down. Take the bar off, clean it up a little bit, change the gas. Put everything back together and try to crank it up. As you can see, it's all dirty. So go ahead and clean it up. Let's see if we can get it cleaned up. So this is a case right here, all dirty. So I don't know what this thing, I guess it's just been sitting up. I don't know. Just gonna clean everything up. Alright guys, so I'm just basically just breaking everything down and to see if it even will crank. Check the spark plug. Probably need a new one. Got all the fuel, so I'm gonna have to put some more fuel in there. Guys, I guess the guy didn't know what he was doing. Got me a chain, so I'm just gonna order me a chain for it. Bought off Facebook Market for $20. Guess the guy didn't know what he was doing. Peace.